Alright guys, now that we have created a Django project, okay, so the next step is to create a Django app. Alright, we can have multiple apps inside one project, okay. So in our project, we'll be creating like 3 to 4 apps, I guess. So the first one will be pages, okay, that is for our contact us pages, services pages, and the contact pages. And after that, we'll be creating a cars app, and we'll be creating contacts app and accounts app. Accounts app is for the login functionality. Alright, for now, let's create a pages app. Go to the git bash window here. So let's stop the server. Alright, make sure you are into the virtual environment. So here, type in python manage.py start app. Okay, and next the app name. So in our case, it is pages. Hit enter. Okay, now we have created app here. So you can see the pages app is created. As soon as we create an app, the first thing we need to do is go to the settings file, settings.py. Here in the installed apps, you have to add this app. Okay, here it is pages.apps.pages.config. Okay, and make sure you put the comma here. So you might be asking, where did I get this pages config? Okay, let me tell you. So we have created the pages app here. Inside this, we have the apps.py file. Okay, open this. You get this class name, pages config. Okay, whatever this class name is, you have to copy that and paste it here. All right, it will be like pages.apps.pagesconfig. Okay, remember that. As soon as you create any app, the first thing you have to do is add that app inside this installed apps. Okay, all right, this is done now. So the next step is, let me close this also. So the next step is, we want to make the URLs, right? So if you notice in this pages app, we do not have urls.py, right? We have this urls.py here. Okay, this is the main project, but we don't have urls.py here. Okay, so what we will do is right click on it and create a new file called urls.py. We have to manually create it. Inside this urls.py, let's go to this urls.py and copy this code and paste it inside this pages urls.py. Okay, so here we don't need admin. Okay, and we need this from django.urls import path. Okay, because we are using path here, and this is I think let's go to this. Let's first remove this. Okay, let's go to this urls.py first. The first thing what we will do is, we don't want this page. Okay, we want to remove this page. All right, for that what we'll do is, we will render a HTML. Okay, we'll create a home page here. Okay, so let's go to this code editor, and in the pages urls.py, I mean here, after this, say path and single quotation, keep it blank, comma, include. Okay, include, let's say pages, inside this quotation, pages dot urls. Okay, so what this does is, when someone comes to the home page, okay, this blank means home page. When someone requests for the home page, the control will go to pages app, and inside that pages app we have urls.py here. Okay, this file will be called. Okay, so now we have to configure this here. Let's say path. Okay, path and home. Okay, comma, we have to create a views dot home, comma, and the name will be home. All right, so we have to put the comma here, and in this urls.py here, okay, we have used include here. Okay, we have to bring that in here. It is from django.urls import path comma include. Okay, now we have to create views called home. Okay, in the views.py file, let's create a function def and home, pass in the request okay, colon, then let's return render. Now pass the request and the template pages slash home.html. Okay, so now we don't have this pages folder and home.html file. We have to create that. Okay, before we create them, we have to create a template. So go to this top level folder and right click new folder. Okay, say templates and hit enter. Alright, in this templates we create a new folder called pages. Okay, create pages folder, and inside this pages we'll create a home.html. So we have created the home.html. Now let's say h2 hello world. Okay, this is just for testing purpose. Since we created this template folder, we have to tell this settings file that we have created a template folder and we need to give it a template directory name. Okay, inside this template section we have to say the template folder name. All right, that's it. Save it, and now if you start the server, let's see how it looks. Python manage.py run server. Oh, sorry, we have the error here. This means we forgot to import views. Okay, inside this pages URLs we have to import views. Okay, from dot, okay, import views. All right, now if you reload, the restart the server. Okay, looks good. Now let's refresh it. All right, now it worked. So next, what we need to do is, I think we need to set up a Git now. Maybe in the next lecture we will set up a Git. Okay, thank you.